seduction of the runner in the night, blinded by the light, wrapped up like a douche of the runner in the night, blinded by the light, wrapped up like a douche. Madman drums, bummers, Indians in the summer with the teenage diplomat.
In the snowy Arctic, there are a lot of animals that can be found. Why look! It's the Arctic bunny. This bunny is a primary consumer. Here we can see her snacking on some autotrophic producers. They make their own energy, and she gets it from them. Uh-oh. It appears a predator has taken up the hunt. The wolf is making the bunny its prey. Seeking shelter where she can, the bunny hides behind a pole in a parking lot in the Arctic. Here comes some interspecific competition.
That was pretty fun.
Unfortunately for our bunny, these nasty dudes are heterotrophs. Being secondary consumers, they get their energy from eating things like bunnies.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
Yeah, that's my car.
We now return to the Transformers.
Our furry friend is no more, but perhaps her delicious flesh meat can satiate another beast. Unfortunately for the fox, the rabbit was a host to a very deadly parasite. She would not survive the night.
Wow. Pretty neat.